Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. I got a special one today, special to me. Felt like I did put a lot of work into this one, or tried to be as careful as I could be, just because this is one of my favorite cars ever. A Datsun Z car. This specifically is the Tamiya 240Z. And it actually is a rally edition, but I'm leaving it as a street build. And I did fit it to a TT-02 chassis. And this was a kit, I forgot what was the stock body. I think it was the Motul GTR. But in order to fit the 240Z body, you do need to adjust for a shorter wheelbase, which they do have instructions on how to do so. I'll give you a shot of the back of this thing. Loving it. So these are not the most performance RC kits in my opinion, just being a stock TT-02 kit. But what I did do is fit it with oil-filled shocks, and also a metal drive shaft, and full ball bearings all around. The stock kit does come with plastic bushings and metal bushings. I have not picked up metal axle or dog bones, but the Tamiya kits, one of the drawbacks in my opinion is the limited steering. And I know that they do make more performance kits that are much more expensive, but I feel like if you wanted a performance kit, MST might be a great option. And even for budget options, the HSP and the ZD Racing, VRX Racing, those are all the value budget brands. But I thought this was a cool build. To me, is awesome because of the licensing of the bodies, a lot of the wheels. But anyways, getting back to this, these are placeholder electronics for the time being. I will keep this stock servo that I use on a lot of my builds, 20 kg, fairly quick for the value. And I will fit this with the brushless system. Right now I have it, my swap out Traxxas 2S ESC and a 550 12 turn, which I will be taking out and repurposing for something else. Really special part of this is the full metal wheels, and I have the little metal discs in the back, which I thought were pretty cool, and the gold matching the gold shocks as well. But I just thought this was something that I felt pretty good about and wanted to share with you guys. So Tamiya is nice. I have a few other bodies that I need to put some work into. One of my favorites is the EG Honda Civic that I managed to get my hands on, and I'm also thinking about picking up Porsche, and I really like the Mustang GT4 Tamiya bodies. I haven't fit this with the light kit yet, but I do have it prepped. But anyways, let's do a shot.